Hi and welcome back to Digital Toolcase with a new review. In this case, I see some interest from people into this new Straico tool. You can find it on AppSumo, so I want to try it out for you and review it so you can see how it works and if you like it. Anyway, if you like this kind of content, please click on the like button, subscribe to my channel, and obviously you can find the link to this tool in the description. So let's take a quick look at this AppSumo page where we can see what Straico is and which are the plans you can purchase. As always, with AppSumo, remember you have a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can purchase it if you like it, and your money is safe because you can have money back if you don't like it. Straico is an AI tool. As you can see here, they say it's an alternative to Jasper, Copy AI. You have integrations with GPT 3.5 Turbo, GPT-4, Stability AI, because it's an AI writing tool, but it's also an AI image tool, as you can see here. So let's see very quickly what they offer here. An AI chat assistant that works just like ChatGPT or Claude, more than 150 prompts, templates, create your own prompt templates, high-quality AI image generation with Stable Diffusion XL or dall-e 3, AI image generation with multiple styles and parameters, image editor to edit multiple images at once, voice-powered AI chat assistant with in-chat voice notes. They are using OpenAI Whisper in this case, convert chat inputs or outputs into lifelike spoken audio. You can attach multiple files and interact with PDF, TXT, doc, and so on. 20 different AI models, upload YouTube or webpage URLs, organize the chat and template folders, 1 year coin rollover. This is interesting because if you don't use your coins every month, you can roll over them up to 1 year, and you also have API access. These are the different plans you can purchase. We have tier 1 with 5,000 monthly coins. You can use, as you can see, GPT-4 Turbo, Claude 3 Opus, interesting, Claude 3 Sonnet, Claude 2.1. You have 250 monthly images with both Stable Diffusion or dall-e 3, and you also have 62 monthly images analysis with GPT-4 Vision, and 250,000 monthly words across 10 models. It's pretty generous for $59, the tier 1, but if you want more, as you can see, you have 2 higher plans, and for $149 you have 40,000 coins, and as you can see here, many more credits, up to 2 million monthly words. They have 84 reviews and near to 5 tacos. This is interesting because this tool is quite new and they already have many reviews. Let's take a look very quickly. I usually go to reviews here and sort them by rating lowest because I want to see the bad reviews at the beginning so I can see what can be the issues with these tools. We have a 2 taco review. It's talking about AI images here. We have a 3 taco review, another 3 taco review, and then we go to 4 tacos. So not too many bad reviews. This is interesting. If you want, obviously, you can click the link in the description, you reach this page and you can read all these reviews by yourself. But let's try Straico because I'm curious to see how it works. When you subscribe to Straico, you have a quick presentation, as you can see here, with some tips to use this tool. Let's go very quickly to next and next and next. If you want, you can stop the video and read by yourself all these instructions. And I'm ready to start. Again, I have another presentation. It's talking about multiple LLMs because I can use them simultaneously. I have a guide here to understand all the buttons in the tool. This is pretty useful, I will say, if you work with these for the first time, and it's guiding me into understanding how this tool works. But let's skip all this process now. And this is my main dashboard. As you can see, I have some prompt templates to try. For example, in this role-playing category, I have a talk to Elon Musk, I have resources with ask to the prompt expert video guide and so on. I also have image prompting, I have writing, I have many others here in the dashboard. Let's take a look at the different sections. So this is AI chat assistant. I have the images section. This is where I can generate images or I can upload images. Let's go here. This is the profile section with all the settings, the avatar, and the different subscriptions, Stripe account, and so on. In this section, you can have some rewards, so you can earn some coins to use in this tool. As you can see here, depending on what you do, you can earn some coins in this rewards section. And you obviously have your billing data here. So the main tasks are done into this section, into this AI chat section. By clicking here on this book icon, I have some templates. With this change button, I can select and change AI models. This is a trial version, a free plan at the moment, so I only can use these models. And here, if I click on this eye icon, I can see on this page the comparison between all the models, how many coins I need to use in order to use all these models, the type of the model, the max words estimation I can use depending on the coins, and the capabilities of the model. And as you can see, you also have a perplexity sonar into Straico if you have one of the paid plans, obviously. You have some details here below and here the second part of this table. So these are all the AI models you can use here. Let's add a Gemini Pro and click on select. And here I can see the models I choose to use in this case. Here I have a quick bar where I can ask for whatever I want in this chat AI section. I can also use microphone and give instruction with voice, or I can write here whatever I want, or I can click on this plus button and upload files, images, or YouTube URLs. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you is this templates list, because you have many categories. You can create your templates, you have the shared with you templates, and then you have image generation, writing, programming, and so on. And if I click on one of these sections, for example writing, as you can see I have different templates with the AI model they use to generate all these templates. And as you can see, you have these three dots icon here. If I click here, I can share the template, duplicate the template, or see info. Here is where you can understand how the templates are done. You have a variable section where you insert your content. You have an advanced section with a duplicate template. In this case, you only have this option. And you have the view prompt where you can learn to generate templates, because this is how they are done, this is how they are coded. As you can see, you have an example and then you have your variable part here. This is the way all the AI tools generate templates. And if you want to generate your own templates, you need to understand how you can create templates. This is just an example. So let's use this one text amplifier with the GPT 3.5 Turbo. I suppose this works with the free plan. This is the prompt. In this case, act as an expert writer and reading comprehension master, and so on. As you can see, this is an example on how this template is done. Let's run the sample, and in this case, as you can see, it's automatically inserted into this chat section with the result of my template. And if you want to use very quickly these templates, you don't need to go into this dot icon every time. You just need to click on this template and this section will open. So let's try for example, image generation, and let's click here. You can see the prompt here, generating images using dall-e 3, prompt description, and this is just to understand how the templates are done, but here is where I can generate an image with dall-e 3. I want to try this prompt, a lake near two mountains, a night shot full moon. I can choose the size of the image, landscape, and I have the variation. Let's try with 1. Now I have my prompt here, and I just need to click on this button, and dall-e 3 seems generating my image. And as you can see, I have my image generated. I can open it up. It's quite good as a resolution, it's quite good as an image. You can add it to favorites or you can download image. Pretty good, I will say. So this is how you use these prompts. You also have a programming section here, and this is how these templates work. You have the research section, it's using Perplexity here. You have a role-playing, and it's using this open source model, Mixtral and Mytomax in this case. You have a YouTube growth section where you can generate a YouTube title, video descriptions, and so on. You have an SEO expert section with some SEO prompts, affiliate marketing, product reviews, and affiliate tweets. You have a for educators section where you can create quizzes, slides, and so on. You have a content section with blog post content for beginners, copywriting made easy, and so on. The programming section is using mostly GPT-4. But now let's try to upload maybe a YouTube URL or a PDF file and see what we can do. Okay, so here is where I can upload something. I will try to upload a PDF. This is a very simple PDF with some flowers and their description. I can insert this file, and I suppose is uploaded. As you can see here, I have this bar currently querying on a PDF file. I can enable or disable my PDF, so I can interact with it or not, and I can use this prompt, give me a summary of the flower PDF in 10 bullet points. Let's see. And this is the result. It used the Claude 3 Haiku in this case, and this is the original PDF. As you can see, it's talking about the typical flower, is a stem tip bearing 2 words of appendages, and one of the bullet point, it's talking about a typical flower, and so on. So it's correctly interacting with the PDF. Let's try this other prompt. Tell me what the flower PDF is talking about at page 9. I'm curious to see if it can identify pages. So this is my reply according to the transcript. Page 9 of the flowers file discusses the different types of stamen arrangements. I don't know, maybe this is my fault because this PDF really doesn't have page numbers, and yes, it's talking about a type of stamens, but here it's not at page 9, it's at page 26, but again, I think it's because it's not considering images, so in its memory, his page 9, it's not my page 9 here. Anyway, it's talking about these things, so let's try something else. According to the flowers PDF, what is the definition of pistil? I don't know how to pronounce it. Anyway, let's try this one. It's giving me a very detailed reply here. The basic unit of the female reproductive structure is the carpel, and so on. This is the PDF. The pistil is a structure considering of ovary styles and stigmas. I was expecting exactly this definition, so again, maybe the issue is in my prompts, but I want to try. Please give me the pistil definition exactly as written in the flowers PDF. Okay, it's again giving me this sentence, so I want to search if this is in this PDF, and it's here, but it's in another section of the PDF. This is the sentence it took. Again, this is just to show you how you can interact with the PDF. Maybe the issue is my prompt, or maybe the issue is how this PDF is structured, but it's able to read the PDF and interact with it. Let's try the last one, what the flowers PDF is talking about in the last page. This should be very easy to find. Okay, so it's saying according to the transcript, the last page is presentation. And as you can see here, it's here presentation. It's not really the last page, but again, these are images, so it can't see images in the PDF. It only can see text, and the last text it can find in the PDF is this one, presentation. So this is why it's saying it's in the last page. Anyway, again, it's able to interact with the files. And I suppose by using a Pro AI model, it works even better. Now I can get rid of this PDF. And I think I deleted the entire chat. It was not my intention. I thought I would delete the file, but I deleted the entire chat. Anyway, this is how Straico works. Basically, it's like having ChatGPT, it's like having Claude, and all the models you can use here, all in the same chat. You can generate images, and for images you also have this section here where you can edit images. So for example, I uploaded this image here. I can enhance the image. As you can see here, upload an image as a reference and then adjust the strength accordingly. I have some settings for the ratio of the image. I have some advanced settings, the prompt strength, the generation steps, the seed, the model used. This is a Stable Diffusion beta, the sampler. You have negative prompts if you want. You have the enhance section. I want to see if it works. Let's say I want to remove the sea from this image and add some mountains and add some mountains. I don't know if this is the correct way of using it. Let's try to run this. In this case, nothing really happened. Maybe it's my fault. I just choose to keep the 90% of the image, but here is where I can generate images and not where I can edit them. So I suppose I need to generate the image and then go to this edit image, and here is where I can edit the image or some parts of the image. I can then use a prompt, remove the sea and add some mountains. Let's try again. Okay, as you can see, the sea is still there, but here in the background you can see some mountains. So yes, it changed a bit, not exactly what I wanted, but again, I'm not very good at doing these image edits with AI. It's not something I'm expert in. So anyway, you can do also this kind of things. It changed my character here in this case, and even here quite funny, but I suppose it also depends on these choices here. I choose anime in this case, and I used this model. Maybe by using one of the other models the result is different. I'm pretty sure about that. Anyway, this is how the image generation and editing works here in Straico. If you want to use Stable Diffusion, you can use this section, and if you want to use DALL-E 3, you can use the chat section. Okay, I don't want to make this video too long. This is the official site about Straico, but on AppSumo you have a lifetime deal, and it's a pretty generous lifetime deal because even with the Tier 1 license you have 5,000 monthly coins, 63,000 monthly words with GPT-4, and so on. You can use obviously Claude 3 Opus, you can use both dall-e 3 and Stable Diffusion for images, you can do image analysis with GPT-4 Vision, and you have a total of 250,000 words. Not bad for $59. If you want more, obviously you can go up, and even the license tier 3 is really good with the amount of words and images you can generate. So based on these prices, based on these reviews, the high number of takeaways, I will say this tool is pretty good and can be a pretty good alternative to ChatGPT because you can use it for the lifetime. Even with GPT-4, you can obviously find the link here in the description, and thank you if you will use it. You have a 60-day money-back guarantee with AppSumo, so no worries at all. Let's take a quick look at the roadmap for Straico. Here in progress, they are fixing some bugs. They are including a web browsing feature, interesting. Smart template generator, interesting. They will add a template library very soon. They have some bugs to fix. And there is a to-do section with some suggestions to make the tool better, some improvements, some new features. So being on AppSumo, this tool is still at the beginning, and if you want to commit for the lifetime for a very small price, it's for sure a good addition to your tool case, let's say like this. Okay, so this was my Straico review. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this tool. Again, you can find the link in the description if you are interested in this Straico AI tool. If you click here, you can watch some of my previous videos on the channel. Thank you very much for being here, and as always, I'll see you soon in the next one.